Welcome back to Upcoming Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into the aggressive and modern 2023 Harley-Davidson Sportster S1250. This bike marks a bold evolution in the Sportster line, blending traditional Harley muscle with modern performance and cutting-edge tech. Let's break down what makes this machine a standout in the cruiser segment. Design and styling, a bold new look. The Sportster S1250 throws out the old-school cruiser mold with a fresh, muscular design. Its fat tires, high-mounted exhaust, and compact frame give it a street tracker vibe. The minimalist LED headlight and digital instrument cluster add a modern touch, while the low-slung stance gives it that unmistakable Harley attitude. Performance, Revolution Max Power. Under the tank lies the Revolution Max 1250T engine, a liquid-cooled V-twin pushing out 121 horsepower. This engine delivers instant torque and a responsive throttle, making city rides thrilling and highway cruises effortless. The 6-speed transmission is smooth, and the adjustable suspension keeps the ride controlled and comfortable. Tech features, smart and capable. Harley packed this bike with ride modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and a 4-inch TFT screen with Bluetooth connectivity. It's a rider-focused machine, offering modern safety and convenience without compromising on the raw riding experience. Conclusion, worth the hype. The 2023 Harley-Davidson Sportster S1250 is a daring reinvention of a legend. With performance, style, and tech rolled into one aggressive package, it's built for riders who want the classic Harley feel with modern capability. Stay tuned for more on upcoming auto reviews.